Hello guys, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can back up on your iPhone to iCloud. So if you want to learn on these topics, just stay with me. Otherwise, you can just skip this video. So first of all, I just go to settings, then just scroll down. Not scroll down. Here in showing my name. Here in showing your name and others information as like your information. And I just type here my name, and here is showing many options. So I just tap iCloud. Okay, then actually my iCloud almost now full. Actually depending up to you uses, because my iPhone too much photos, picture, video, many things. That's why my iCloud is full. And if you need two more storage, then you can buy. I have another video on this channel how you can just upgrade your storage. You can see my video. So now I show you how you can just take iCloud backup. You see here in showing iCloud backups turn off. So if you want to like enable, then you can just tap here and you can just enable and turning off and showing the notification and loading bar, and it's just enable right now. So that's it. Why you just take backup? Actually, if you broke your iPhone and lost, then you just sign in on your iPhone. Your Apple ID, then you will get your previous data. So that's it. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.